Being enthusiastic and always full of energy is a rare quality. Most people around us appear to be listless and have to be pushed to get going. When we come across such people, we can use an adjective for them. Before we look at it, let's quickly revise last week's word and phrase. The word for this week is apathetic. As per Cambridge Dictionary, it means showing no interest or energy and unwilling to take action, especially over something important. Let's see some examples. Eating a lot of fatty foods makes us lethargic and apathetic. Steve appears to be depressed and apathetic. People are no more apathetic in raising their voice. A related phrase that will be easy to remember is leave much to be desired. As per Macmillan Dictionary, it means to be of a very low quality or standard. We use the phrase to say something is not very good at all or is not close to being good enough. Let's see some examples. The job done by apathetic workers left much to be desired. The company's performance leaves much to be desired. My fitness levels leave much to be desired. So don't be apathetic and ensure you do your best in whatever you do, leaving nothing to be desired. I'll be back with a new word and phrase next week. Till then, keep learning, keep growing.